going to do first is we're going to drop down the sides on the awning, get the table set up, get some soup cooked, and maybe watch a little bit of South Korean Netflix, because I got a VPN, because they have all the good stuff on there. But the one good thing is, the Land Rover hasn't broken down yet.
One day we up, one day we down. One day we up, one day we down.
Keep fighting, yeah. Keep fighting, yeah.
One day we up, one day we down. One day we up, one day we down.
Keep fighting, yeah. Keep fighting, yeah.
Majestic.
Oh God, don't. Feel normal. Early tomorrow morning, before we set everything away, yeah? Oh, it's starting to rain, you know, babe.
Yeah, I know.
Do you want to bring that in?
No.
Oh, could have.
This is by far the best that we've had all week. Oh, hit me with the rays of light. This genuinely could not be a better end to the day. Just that sunset, oh my God. Making tea on the biolight, sitting in front of the sunset outside of the disco. Let's end today on a high note. Sunset, tea, and a packet of ginger nuts. That'll do. Sithy. I don't know if that's just piss poor design or I've not put it up right, but it's not very good.